Mama Gianimpa, Obama Kituabi.
Looking weak, frail, and in pain, Stephanie sports a left hand in bandages and open wounds on 2 fingers on her right hand. Stephanie was named after the husband of her alleged abuser, Ellen Serwaa, due to his benevolence. The Pentecost Church elder, Stephen Nketia, requested to bring her over to stay with his family. The child speaks of persistent caning and starving until late last month when she took 2 Ghana cedis to buy food.
The Friday, no, the man, son.
With anxiety in her eyes, she tells me how she was punished by her stepmom.
On one she no rice cooker, no them call them not or chichile me boy kunyam, no chichile me nine boy kunyam no man ba so she na mamino. I saw my son on the shensu. Shenim. Nti auditions were shenim no man o manager na ebo funfunyana maame no kotam na maame no kotam blade no de papa ya nyina.
Her biological mother, Margaret Foko, is shocked at the development.
Ihu na mi su na bisa Stephanie dia na ayew ni achechire ne nsa bonkum no. And was obio na no akasa no no susu to san yam hye na mka mommy enti de wa yam peye e na maame no ebu nkotodwe na wosu osan afre man ba ko bi so se man ne mla ti man ne ba ye na obu nkotodwe a wosu de aye no aye den de obia wo kakra se ye mpaebo afam sika afam bia onipa ne wo no emwa bia wo bia omomwa ye na ye mfa nye se be ya abofra ne nsa no ebetumi aye yi.
Dr. Deborah Mensah at the Bebiani District Hospital told Love News the girl needs urgent surgery to increase her chances of saving her hand.
The burns is very severe. Already all the fingers and the palm are edematous. Our major concern right now is that the child was not brought on time, and so there are already complications from the burns. The child is already unable to extend the fingers. They are matted together. We need to separate the fingers. It's unlikely that the hand was in the water for a short while. If that were the case, then we would only expect like maybe 1st degree burns, which would result in blisters and would usually heal quite quickly. But for there to be contractures and things, it's more than a 1st degree burn. Most probably the hand was kept in the water for a bit of time.
At the house where the abuse took place at Goaso, we met Stephen Nketia, husband of the suspect. He told our news team the suspect, a nursing mother, is sick and has since regretted her action. But police say they are going ahead with prosecution. Ellen Serwaa was arrested and granted bail by a Goaso Circuit Court. ASP Mavis Perfect Kamasa is Ahafo Regional Commander of the Police Domestic Violence and Victims Support Unit.
As the suspect was released on bail by the court, and she is to reappear to court on 31st of May. We are also speeding up with our investigation so that we can get the docket ready by then, so that we properly prosecute her.
Reporting for Joy News, Erastus Asaredonko, Goaso, Ahafo Region.